In August of 2024, we embarked on a 3-week adventure to Colombia. Our trip took us from the bustling capital city of Bogota to the coffee region with its breathtaking palm trees into Medellin, the city of eternal spring. We then flew into the timeless coastal cities and lost ourselves in the mysterious jungles. In this video, we present our stop in the beautiful mountain village of Salento, heart of the Cocora Valley. We'll take you along a 10-kilometer hike in the valley and give you all the tips and tricks you need and an overview of the prices you can expect for if you want to try it yourselves. Also, we'll show you some hidden gems most people don't even know about. If you like the video, please do us a favor and watch it until the end. It helps us out a lot and we appreciate it. Without further ado, off we go!
Our first morning, we woke up at 6 a.m. and discovered the beautiful mountain range around us. We hadn't seen it yet the previous day because we arrived quite late in Salento. From the airport of Pereira, we took a cab around 9 p.m. This took us approximately 1 hour and set us back 200,000 pesos. Honestly, that's quite expensive, but since we weren't sure there would still be buses, we booked this ride through the hostel.
First, we took the time to discover our hostel and have a well-deserved breakfast. This cost us around 15,000 pesos each. We'll link the menu in the description below if you're interested about the prices. Then we headed to the main square of Salento and we booked Willies for 10,000 pesos each both ways. Each Willie can host up to 7 sitting people and 3 people standing. We kindly asked the driver if we could stand in the back. It made for some great GoPro footage, but keep in mind it can get quite tiring after a while.
After a ride of 25 minutes, we arrived at the start of our trail. Most people actually go clockwise here, directly to the iconic palm tree viewpoints. However, we decided to do the hike in the opposite direction, starting through the beautiful valley, giving us a tease of the palm trees in the distance. Our trail took us through multiple suspension bridges, river crossings and waterfalls in a dense forest, and finally finished at the iconic palm trees. We figured this way the palm trees would feel as a reward, especially because they come after a 500-meter climb over a distance of 7 kilometers. Maybe interesting to note, over the hike we came across 2 payment stations, one at the very beginning of the trail and one just before arriving at the palm tree viewpoints. Additionally, we had the option to further go off-path to a finca called Casa de los Colibres for a coffee. They charged 20,000 pesos for this and we decided not to do this.
Alright, so it's time to follow the burros and start our trail. By the way, in order to fully enjoy the river crossings and waterfalls, we did the whole 10K trail in our hiking sandals. Just be aware of the jungle snakes. The climb is definitely doable, but keep in mind the Cocora Valley lies at an altitude above 2,300 meters, which, together with the heat, can make it a challenging experience. The reward though is absolutely worth it. By the way, if you're interested in the GPX file, we'll link it down below.
After the viewpoints, you will find a restaurant where you can use the bathroom and also have lunch. We grabbed some natural juices here, which came in very handy during the long queue to board the Willies back to Salento. In our case, it was approximately 45 minutes of waiting.
We hope you enjoyed our video and found our advice helpful. Don't hesitate to ask further questions in the comment section below. Also, if you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe to our channel to follow the rest of our journey through Colombia. See you soon!